this video, we will be discussing about the Indian Ports Bill of 2022. So, this bill has been drafted and this is set to replace the Indian Ports Act of 1908. Okay, so before that, let us see the status of ports in India. In total, there are 12 major ports and 212 non-major ports. Okay, so the major ports are under the union list. The non-major ports are under the concurrent list. So what happens because of this is union is empowered to intervene in the matters of the non-major ports. Okay. So we will see about this body which was created by an executive order in the year 1997. So this is called the Maritime State Development Council. Okay. The Union Minister of Shipping will be the chairperson and the ministers in charge of ports in the maritime states will be the members. Okay. So the basic objective of this body is to have the coordinated development of major and non-major ports in the country. And one more point to note down here is it has only met 18 times in the last 25 years. So that is why there are some apprehensions which are being raised across the country. Okay. So let us see what was there in the bill which was drafted in 2021. The new draft which has come now is also very similar to what was there in 2021. Okay. So many say that their concerns were not addressed regarding some features of some centralizing tendencies in the bill. Okay. It says that it proposes to give statutory status, okay, along with some wide-ranging powers and functions to the MSDC. Okay. So what has happened because of this is the maritime states are raising their concerns that this will increase the power of union government on them and their powers with respect to the non-major ports in their respective states will reduce. So that is why they are against this body getting a statutory status. Okay. So what is in the new bill? As I said you earlier, it does not have much changes to 2021 bill. So it has retained the MSD, it has retained in considering MSDC as a statutory permanent body. Okay. So and one more thing here is it has also added or increased the composition of the body. It has proposed to add 5 secretaries and 1 joint secretary from Government of India. So what happens because of this is the union will have more power or more stake in the body. The powers or the voice of the states will reduce within this body, right? And having an officer getting equivalent status to a minister is also not right because the minister is elected by their representatives. So let us see some examples around the world, okay, where the ports are being handled by the local authorities. So you can have this example of USA where their ports are being handled by the counties and municipalities. It is the same in Germany where even their ports are being handled by at the regional level. Okay. Okay, this is also same in case of China. Okay. So there are examples of where the ports are being successfully handled at regional level. Okay. So apart from what is happening in the world, we will see the performance in India itself. From the year 1993-94 to current year, the share of total cargo of non-major ports, okay, it has went up from 8% to 45%. This is with respect to the non-major ports. So it has seen substantial growth, and also the compound annual growth rate has also been 14%, which is when compared to 4.8% of the major ports. Okay. So what we can analyze here is that when the ports are left to be handled at the local levels, there is more efficiency. And also there is a report by World Bank which says that the non-major ports are more business oriented. Okay, and there are more regulations when it comes to the union. Okay, I hope this video will be helpful to you. Thank you.